Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. This was for Series 12, her June series, and I'm just super behind. So I am using this kit from the Scrap Room. It was a double shot kit. I've got cardstock, and then I have goodies that are from Echo Park, My Favorite Summer. So I've got the sticker sheet. That's the embellishments that I have. I've got this adorable pinwheel piece called Pretty Pinwheels. I've got the floral. This one is called Bright Bunches. And then this rainbow that is called Summer Rainbows. Super cute. Let me see. The photo I'm going to use is, this one's an older photo. This is my youngest daughter, and we were in northern Michigan at our condo, and she's having herself a s'more. Super cute, right? Let's see. Oh, now the sketch I have, it is for day 14. It's by Brandy Robinson. And it's a double page sketch. I'm not going to do a double page, so I'm going to concentrate on this side right here, which is one of those great things you can do. With double side sketches, you can use one part, both, combo, whatever you need to do. But I'm going to concentrate right here. So let's take a look. It looks like a matted photo. So let me go ahead. I'm sorry. Oh, and I didn't tell you, I grabbed a piece of scrap white cardstock and matted my photo to start. So we have got a matted layout is what I am seeing. So what do I want for my two main patterns? Ooh, I love this blue. We also have to look at her ensemble. Boy, isn't she tan there? I love, love, love. Oh, that's totally bringing out the blue in her swimsuit. I love that. All right, so we need a part of it to be this. Guys, I might use the rainbow and this piece. So, and I might put them on another piece of paper. So I'm going to do the rainbow kind of like a 1/3, 2/3, except I need to also trim it. So let me trim it down first. Let me take this down to an 11 by 11. I hope I'm going to explain this the right way. So I'm going to take this gorgeous rainbow piece, get it down to 11 by 11, right? No big deal. We can do that. And then from there, I'm going to cut roughly 1/3 of it, because I want to use some of that blue as well. I think it's cute. So about to right here. Perfect. So that way I can flip it and have it look like that. Love that. Okay, so we have that to start. Now we have to figure out which paper we're putting this on. Are we putting this on the red plaid? Not a bad idea. Not going to put it on that one. Are we putting it on this deep, deep navy, tone on tone? Like that? Not bad, not bad. Not, ooh. I'd put it on this, but it's just going to get lost. Okay. So I'm thinking, whoopsie, whoopsie, of going a little bit more like these, and then having my photo touch right about here. Okay, so then let me move these pieces. So since I need that to rest on that, I need a block right here that's kind of bold. So let's go ahead and take some of this gorgeous navy to use for our photo block. So I need it big enough that the top and bottom of my photo will be on it. Great. So it'll be like so. Photo. Great. So I want, it can be actually just a little bit tighter. Let me go kind of like right here and trim this much. And then I think I'm also going to make it just a tiny bit more narrow. Okay, so we've got that. And guys, I will trim this. Don't freak out. I just got excited really quickly about this design. So I have it going like this. Cute. Now, there is a bit that comes here and here. So I'm wondering, should I, work with me for a second, should I go ahead and mat it like this And I can still use, do I want to do that? A little bit of this. Do I want to do that? No, I like that this is really showing. Okay, so we're supposed to have a piece here and a piece here. Can we use a little bit of this and have that stick up? It's just not really showing. And yes, guys, I know I can ink it and do all of those things, but I don't think that's going to work for me with these prints. All right, let me pop this down up. Guys, this is so darn cute. I can't even. Pattern paper, this is what I have left at this point. Not much. I did decide to put this offcut right behind the photo. I thought it was super cute. Now, our sketch has a couple tags right here, and I think I'll make one of those like simple little tags or something with this. So let's go ahead and just make a cute little tag. Not any big deal with that. I'm only going to have a little bit of it popping up, so I'm not going to be too precious about it. Okay, so we can just do a cute little bit right there. I like to use the piece that I've cut so that I measure about right on the other side. I'll pop a little tiny hole in it. There we go. And it'll look taggy. Now, I don't know why, but 9 times out of 10, when I do it, I end up having to cut off right there too. I think I cut too tight when I do it. So let's go ahead and do that because I always have to. There we go. Now it looks just a little bit more fancy taggy. Okay, a little hole. Voila. We've got that. Now, questions. We're supposed to have 2 little taggy things. I wouldn't mind having 2 up there. I don't have any paper left. So what I'm going to do, guys, just work with me. I'm going to grab a little piece of this red that's hiding under here. Just gut out a little piece and create a little tag. That's my plan. All right, I'm going to get a little tag, and then we're going to decorate as much as we can with our stickers. We're also going to grab some Flair. Let me see what Flair in here will match. Now we've got, travel doesn't really work. The pink isn't as much travel. The relax with the flip-flops is hilarious, and that will match. So I'm gonna grab that. I like that very much for this. Let's see. At the beach totally works because we were. This piece right here in the pink. So it looks like I'm going to try to bring in a little bit of pink as well. All right, this is going to work out. So super happy I did that. I brought some of the red forward, super cute. I did go into my color drawers and have some navy and white twine that I will thread through them in a minute and do some loop-de-loops. But what I want to do is get into the part that says large title. So large title, I think I'm going to use this summer word here and pop everything up on just a little bit of cute dimension. That would be adorable. And what else? Oh, guys, you know how I was like, oh, I need something that's supposed to go on the top or the bottom or whatever. I think I'm going to get some of this red cute sticker to mimic some of the red up top. I think that will be perfect. So I'm going to cut this piece off and see how far we need to tuck this. But I thought that would be just about perfect under here. So we have this. Oh, wow. All right, so it's going to go very nicely to right around here. Perfect. Perfect. Just like that. There we go. And that's going to bring in that little bit that I wanted down there. Now, this top piece right here, if you're like, oh, we'll go ahead and put another one on, another one of these borders. It's white, it's not going to show the right way, but that is cuteness. So I'm going to get summer put right down here as well. And then maybe do a little bit of cluster work here. Like the big floral is adorable. These cherries are clutch because This picture is taken in the cherry capital of the world, so that's perfect. So, you know, play with some stickers, get some things on here, get my twine on. I did choose 3 adorable Flair, all in pink tones. Phew. And I'll be back. All right, y'all. So I've stickered it up. I've got my Flair on. I am digging them. I'm thinking I'm going to bring my Flair just a little closer to have it part of that lower title. Now, a couple of things. I've got my bingo sheet, so we're going to see what we can add that's on there. Flair, and remember it was the acrylics and all of that kind of stuff. Acrylics and wood veneer. So let me see if there's anything I can get on here. This yellow's not the right yellow. The pink is too hot pink. I do love this piece from Some Assemblage Required, but it doesn't make any sense for what I am doing. Let's see. Let me look at these pieces from Lacey Ann Designs really quickly. They're stars. Stars are always fab. So I've got this light pink one. I can use that, and I can use that, and I can use the white. Perfect. I get to get a few of them on. And I've had these for quite a while. So now I've got a dark red, kind of got a Christmas vibe going. And this really nice, like, it's almost like a, what am I trying to say? Seafoam. Okay. So definitely going to pop a couple of these down here because I need to do something with that cluster, right? And maybe over here. So I've got those on. So let's look. Multi-photo doesn't work. Stars all of a sudden does. I used a ton of stickers. Enamel dots. I've got this little bin of enamel dots that I like to work through. Once they get a little low, I put some more in, and that's the way I actually get through some enamel dots. It's a real thing. Fussy cutting. Oh, I did make those tags. No pattern paper is not a thing. Wood veneer. Now we did bring in the acrylics, and that does count for me. Do I have? Ooh, I do have some itty bitty little. These are cute. Itty bitty little star wood veneer. So I'm going to do, like, is there another itty? Come on, I want another tiny little star. Got a little bunch of tiny little hearts though. I think those are cute. Okay, is that gonna do? I think that's as small as they get. So okay, that works. So now there's some wood veneer that was vintage in my stash. Let me tell you. Feeling like switching these out because I like different sizes. Okay. Circles, that works for my Flair. Numbers, I don't have any numbers. Double border. I don't think I really have any double borders on here. Well, blew that one. Sequins, not going to do. I do have a single photo. Chipboard. Nope. I didn't do vellum. Mixed media, I don't think I'm going to. I like how clean this one is this time. So I don't have the distress edges. I do have Flair. I have a pre-made title, guys. I do that all the time. It's not that big of a deal if I do a pre-made title because, yeah, I do it all the time. Rainbows I have. No cut file, no stamping, definitely not monochromatic. I do have flowers, foam or puffy. Why don't we see? We've got those pieces. I've got these little foam or puffy pieces. Oh, guys, I forgot. I have leftover enamel dots in here too. There are so many enamel dots in this world. Let's see. Are there any colors that kind of match? All right, I'm going to get some of these on. I'm going to pop these down. I'm going to get my enamel dots on. I'll show you my finished layout. All right, y'all, pretty clean layout for day 14 for Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 days of sketches. I used so much of this double shot kit, guys. I could not be happier. Brought in a little stash also with my Flair, with my twine. So I thought that was fun. Oh, as well as enamel dots, acrylics, and wood veneer. There you go. I love when I use up stuff that I would not have brought in unless something like this prompts me. So super cool. Love that. Fun little sketch layout. Guys, I could do sketch layouts all day, every day. and be the happiest girl. I'm going to have links down below, still shots to follow, all that kind of stuff, guys. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys.